LG have packed 2.2 channels and 40 watts of amplification into the C8 slim frame, and when you consider how thin this TV is, the sound is remarkably good. A speaker works by moving air. The bigger the driver, the more air it can move and the better it sounds. If you can only fit tiny speakers into a TV chassis, then you're going to struggle to deliver anything approaching a decent level of sound quality. As Mr. Scott is fond of saying in Star Trek, you can't change the laws of physics. However, you can help physics out, and the streamlined Alpine stand, as LG call it, actually does a great job redirecting the TV's audio at the viewer. It also manages to create a wider and more expansive front soundstage, performing better than most other TVs with similarly svelte dimensions. There's a solid mid-range and the top end sounds decent, but the bass is understandably limited. It will never sound as good as a dedicated soundbar, but it's certainly an improvement, and the fact that the Alpine stand also looks nice is an added bonus. LG is one of the few TV manufacturers to include Dolby Atmos processing in its higher-end models, and this applies some psychoacoustic trickery to help create a more immersive soundstage. It does work to a degree, but eventually we come back to the laws of physics, and the effectiveness of the processing is limited by the native capabilities of the speakers built into the C8. If you want a big sound to go with those lovely images, you'll need to invest in a soundbar. Sound TL, Dr. The Alpine stand doesn't just look nice, it actually helps improve the sound of this ultra-thin TV. But ultimately you can't cheat the laws of physics.